Rickey's here in Novato, California. My name is Katiana. I've been a member of the team for 8 years now. Today I'm going to show you how to make my very own Pear Cosmo. I like to start with an absolute pear, little triple sec, splash warehouse made sweet and sour, and of course cranberry juice. 2 ounces pear, splash of triple sec, smidgen of that delicious house-made sweet and sour, and top it off with cranberry juice. I like to throw a fresh squeeze of lime in here. Squeeze it on inside. Don't be shy. Shake it up. Now this is a really refreshing cocktail, and you're gonna enjoy this year-round out by the pool or even inside here at the bar. Nice pink color, garnished with a lime wedge. Cheers.